So how does Amazon keep a record of the keyword in its product listing? The process of indexing refers to Amazon creating a big database of all the keywords in its product. Amazon will only index certain part of the listing. In this case, the brand, the title, the bullet point, the description as a field called backend keyword, which is a field that you can only see in the backend of the Amazon, where you can add up to 249 bytes of the data. If you go into the inventory and then manage inventory, select to edit a product, then go to the keyword tab, you will able to see the search terms. There is a further keyword field for target audience keyword and the product information fields, for example, material or color, etc. It doesn't index E plus content what that means. If you put keyword in the plus content, they will not help you search at all. And some things to note: where you put the keyword is not important. You can put them in the title or you can put them in the description. It doesn't matter. You do not need to use the keyword that more than that once. Repetition does not help. Equally, capitalization is not important. However, you should use different variation of the same word. And here I have got an example of fitness ball and the fitness dashboard. There will be indexed separately and how you find the keyword for your listening. Here are the some suggestions. First off, use your head. Think about the kind of the keyword which are related to your product. Look at the Amazon autocomplete features. If we do search, for example, say if the graph, we can see all the different keywords that Amazon is associating with. So if you drafted these different products, so the title will give book etc relating adding to the Amazon product listing page and also competitive product of the good source of inspiration for keyword. If we look at the Amazon product listening page, on every page there is a list of the product related to this item and you can find keywords from these. And this will also give you the source of competitive product to inspect. Finally, there were commercially available keyword research tool which focus specially on Amazon. An example of a free Amazon keyword research tool is Sonar, which is made by the same people who have developed the Amazon Select software product. If we type in a keyword, it will give us a list of popular keywords relating to that product, including their search volume. And this list of keywords can then be downloaded.